shapes of total, marginal, and average products curves, and returns to scale. Shapes of total, marginal, and average products. The total product curves are positively sloped as we know that the output increases as long as the variable input increases. The marginal product curves are also shown as increasing initially, but as per the law of variable proportions, we can see them to decrease after a point when by the increasing of the variable input, the marginal product can't be increased further. Thus, after a point they start to decline. The marginal product curves are shown like upside down U or V shapes. The average curve shapes also like inverse U, but it takes more time to decline than the marginal product curves. We know that average product curve shows the average of the marginal products in every unit, so they must be lesser than the marginal products. When marginal products are going to decline, then also they becomes higher than the average points. Thus, the average curve continues to rise despite of the marginal curve's decline. After a point when marginal curve goes down, a significant decline, it starts to reduce its corresponding average points. The average curve cuts the marginal curve at its maximum point, after which it starts to decline. But after some time, the marginal curve starts to decline, returns to scale. When every input of the production phase is variable, the output also increases. When we see the increment in proportion same as the increase in inputs, it is said the constant returns to scale. In the increasing return to scale, the output increases more than the input employment proportion. In the decreasing return, the opposite happens.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.